INOX India Limited is a leading manufacturer of cryogenic liquid storage and transport tanks, and related products and services in India and internationally. The company is planning to launch its initial public offering, IPO, on December 14, 2023, and close it on December 18, 2023. The IPO is entirely an offer for sale of 2.21 crore shares by the promoter, Pavan Kant Jain. The price band for the IPO is set at 627 Indian rupees to 660 Indian rupees per share, and the minimum lot size is 22 shares. The IPO aims to raise 1,459.32 crore at the upper end of the price band. The company is the first listed player in the cryogenic engineering industry in India, and has a strong presence in the domestic and international markets. The company caters to various sectors such as industrial gases, petrochemicals, LNG, aerospace, and defense. The company has a diversified product portfolio, a wide customer base, a robust R&D capability, and a strong financial performance. The company reported a revenue of 1,038.9 crore and a profit after tax of 140.9 crore for the fiscal year ended March 31, 2023. The IPO is expected to witness a high demand from investors, given the company's leadership position, growth prospects, and attractive valuation. The company is valued at 43.8 times its FY23 earnings per share at the upper end of the price band, which is lower than its global peers. The company also has a strong return on equity of 25.6% and a dividend payout ratio of 25.3% for FY23. The IPO is rated as subscribed by most analysts and experts. The expected gains on INOX IPO depend on various factors such as the market conditions, the demand and supply of the shares, and the investor sentiment. However, based on the current grey market premium of the shares, the IPO is likely to list at a significant premium over the issue price. According to sources, the GMP of INOX India is around 450 Indian rupees, which implies a listing gain of over 70% at the upper end of the price band. The GMP of INOX India has increased from 150 Indian rupees to Indian rupee 450 in the last few days, indicating a strong interest and demand for the IPO. The IPO is also fully subscribed on the first day of bidding, with the retail and high net worth investor segments being oversubscribed. These factors suggest that the IPO is likely to perform well on the listing day and offer good returns to the investors. However, one should also be cautious of the risks and uncertainties involved in the IPO market, and make an informed decision based on their own research and analysis. Thank you. Like and subscribe for more analysis.